magical journey this morning. Siyempre, kasama ko pala na aking co-host na si Miss Monica Llamas.
Hello, everybody.
And of course, we have people, magicians, illusionists, and mentalists from the Story Circle. We're gonna start off our magical morning with something that we can find at home. Deck of cards.
A deck of cards.
Different magic tricks can be performed with a deck of cards. And to perform first and foremost, we have Jermaine.
Of the Story Circle. Welcome, Jermaine.
Welcome. Thank you. So, ang gagawin natin is card trick. So, I want you to pick any card in this deck.
Okay, I will pick first.
Famous.
And I will
Show
only...
it to everybody.
Show it to everybody. O, tingnan nyo. Close up to cam.
Yan. Okay.
See, closing his eyes? Okay.
Okay, yan.
Okay,
Hindi
so,
But I didn't see it. How it?
place it back in the deck.
Okay.
Now, gonna cut the cards.
Okay.
Actually, this is a true story.
There's a true story. Okay, may kwento pala kasama ng card trick.
Last
Okay.
night, nagpe-perform ako ng card trick. Parang ganito rin, nagpe-perform ako ganito. Tapos may isang lalaking dumating na biglang sabi niya, pwede bang balasahin yung card? So, ang ginawa, binalasan niya, face up into face down. So, ganito, binalasan niya ng ganyan, face up, face down.
Okay.
Yan. Tapos nung in-square niya na, nagtaka ako, paano ko kaya gagawin to? So, chinek ko yung deck, face up, face down, face up, face down. Magulo. Tapos sabi niya, kung talagang magician ka, gusto kong gawin mo, hanapin mo yung card ko. Tapos ayusin mo yung deck.
So, dalawang tricks in one.
In just a snap. So, sabi ko, okay. Pag snap ko, wave ko yung kamay ko. Go.
It's your card!
Ito lang ang naka-face up.
Yes.
Nakikita niyo ba?
See, suddenly, it's everything facing up, and the only thing facing up is Monica's card, the Six of Clubs.
We have about 5 card magicians, so we'll call on
that was a
Jody.
2-in-1.
Okay, hello,
Card trick.
good morning,
Hi, Jody. Okay.
Wow, you know what? I have to say, this is the first time I hardly see any women magicians.
Yeah.
So how many are you in the Story Circle na babae? Out of how many, ha?
Mga 5.
5 out of how many Story Circle magicians?
Ang dami namin. Siguro mga
Kaya nga ang ingay-ingay dito dahil ang dami nila.
Out of 100, we were only 6.
Okay, there are only 6 women out of the 500 magicians. So,
I wanted to be a magician.
we are privileged to have Jody with us. Okay, Jody, hit us.
Okay.
So we have 8 cards.
8 cards.
8 cards,
Meron
okay.
tayong number cards or spot cards tawag namin dito.
Okay.
And we have 4 aces.
Okay.
Familiar ba kayo sa mga suits?
Sa mga
Fruits. Yes, yes.
Hearts, spades.
Halimbawa, ito. Ace of spades, ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, and ace of hearts. Diba?
Okay.
Kunin natin yung 4 aces.
Okay.
So we have 4 aces, diba?
Okay.
4 aces. And then we have 4
Spot cards. Okay.
Nalagay tayo ng isang spot card dyan. Pero, pakita muna natin kung ano yung first ace natin, which is
Ace of hearts.
Very good.
Nakikita
So,
ba?
how
Maybe I
many
should
spot
tilt
cards
it a
do we
bit.
have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Spot
Okay.
cards, diba?
Okay.
Maglalagay tayo ng isang spot card, kuha tayo ng isang ace. Then, rub lang natin yung ganyan. Yung spot card natin, magiging
Ace.
Oh!
Ah.
once again, we have 4 spot cards.
Okay.
It's all in her hands.
Isa pang spot card dyan, kuha tayo isang ace. Rub natin ulit ng ganyan.
Rub
Pwede
lang,
pang bukas.
Rinab lang
Okay.
niya yan, Mon. Nakita ko yan, Mon. Rinab lang.
So, ilan yung ano natin?
Rub
Spot
lang yun.
card. 1,
2, 3, 4. 4 spot cards.
Isa pang spot card. Kuha tayo isang last ace. And can you snap your finger on top?
O yan, hindi niya na rinab.
Hindi ko na ni-rub para
Okay.
malinaw na. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spot cards.
So that means that's the
4
Hindi na-
aces.
Apparently, Mon,
Malabo na yung mga mata natin. Yung cameraman, yung cameraman natin ngayon nag-comment.
Pero
Magaling yun,
natin yan mamaya para mala. Pero still, thank you very much,
Thank you very much, Jody. And let's
Okay.
call on our next.
Our next one, please come on down, Dina.
Another.
female.
One of the 6.
Hello.
Okay,
Hi,
hello,
Dina.
Dina. Welcome.
Good morning, good morning.
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 Okay.
Anong card trick papakita mo sa akin?
Actually, mag-share lang ako ng story sa inyo. How I met my best friend nung college ako.
Let's story circle.
Yes.
Makwento
Let's just
sila.
use the court cards kasi
Okay.
they represent people.
Okay.
Okay,
Court
we have
card.
here. Nung college kasi ako, I've met maraming tao. May lalaki, may babae, meron ding mga homosexual.
Okay,
And they
okay
represent
lang
these
yan.
cards, okay?
The
And
jacks, maybe?
syempre, college ako, medyo wala pang pakialam. So, wala pang pakialam sa buhay. Wala pa ako nakikita mga friends. So, let's just shuffle this.
Okay.
And then, one time, sabi ko, hindi pwedeng mag-isa lang ako eh. Kasi college na,
Siyempre
diba?
naman. Kailangan
Let's
natin
go out.
magpasada.
And then, Miss, I want you to get one card sa top.
One card?
Okay, here. That represents me. Pwede man
Okay.
tingnan.
Okay, tingnan.
She's
I'll show
not
it to the
looking.
camera, ha?
She's not looking.
Saan yung camera ko?
There, yan.
Okay, lagay dito.
Okay, so
And then,
yan.
You know, when they say na it's magic kapag nakita mo yung talagang parang soulmate mo na.
Yes.
The love of your
Yeah.
life.
Not actually love of your life, pero yung
Soulmate.
soulmate.
Somebody you can connect with.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, of course. And,
I don't believe in soulmates, by the way. Okay, go.
okay.
That's
And
another
then,
story.
Yung parang nasasabi mo na, it's magic eh.
Ah.
Okay.
Yung bigla na lang kayo nagkiklik.
Okay.
And that's what happens. Kasi, let's just sabihin natin, lahat yun, nagko-connect eh. Na hindi
Okay.
mo ma-explain kung bakit.
So, ikaw
By the way, what's your card?
ikaw
What's your
soulmate mo.
Ito yung card ko.
Yeah.
Ito
Yeah.
yung soulmate mo.
Yeah.
By the way, what's your card?
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. Let's just show them.
Okay.
Ayan, Queen of
And-
Hearts.
Nagko-connect yun. And then dahil
Best
nagko-connect
friend
sila,
mo, okay.
nagko-connect sila, lahat ng cards, magkaka-connect na rin.
Well, look at that.
Oh! It was partner-partner. Okay. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you very, very much, Joni, right? No, Dina.
Dina.
You're Dina. Sige,
Thank you,
let's move
Dina.
on. Thank
Okay,
you to
so-
Ernest. Ernest naman ngayon. Hi, Ernest.
Hello, good morning.
Kasi naghanap ako ng Mon, you're my soulmate.
Yeah, really.
I'm so
After telling everybody you don't believe in soulmates,
Okay naman.
thanks a
I
lot.
believe na dahil sa card trick ni Dina. What
Okay,
about
one
you,
more card
Ernest?
trick
What's
and then
your
we'll
card
talk
trick?
about...
Okay, ang gagawin ko is spelling magic.
Spelling naman nga.
So, we gotta spell one of
Advancing
your-
trick.
Gonna spell isa sa inyo. I-spell natin yung name nyo.
Either Monica or Isa.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Paano tayo mag-spell? Wala naman letra ang card.
Ganito, papakita ko sa inyo.
Okay, spelling.
Now, Isa, why don't you pick a card?
Ay,
Pick a
teka
card.
kaya. Kanina pa si Mon.
Yep.
Okay, yan. Do I
Okay.
show you, no?
No, show it to the camera, to the audience,
Okay.
and even Monica.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Look, I'll just speak. Okay, I saw it.
Kita niyo na. Okay.
Now, kindly put the card back in the deck. Okay. So, sana walang problema kung wala naman kayong memory gap or what.
Wala naman.
Sana naman wala
Oh,
pa.
naman.
Ito ba yung card nyo? Ito ba yung card nyo?
No.
Mas
Eto.
bat, hindi.
No.
Okay, good. Wala na kayong memory gap. Okay, yung gagawin lang natin, first
Okay.
spell natin Isa.
Okay.
Isa.
I, right?
I,
S,
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 and probably A,
Okay.
right? So, let's eliminate those face-up cards. Hopefully,
Okay.
wala dyan yung card nyo, no? So, naka-face-up na yan.
Wow.
Okay, wala.
Wala. Okay. Again, spell it natin yung name mo.
Okay.
I-S-S-A.
Okay.
Okay?
I-S-S-A, tama.
Okay.
Now-
I can't spell, I can't
Now,
count.
let's start always in the right.
Okay.
So, let's spell I-S-S-A. Eliminate this one.
Okay.
I-S-S-A. Eliminate this one.
Okay.
I-S-S-A. So, eliminate those. And for the last card, what's your card?
Four of Hearts.
Really? So, 4 of cards.
We want to ask, first of all, we talked about illusionists, magicians, street magicians, but you guys focus on cards.
Oo.
Why
Ano
cards?
tawag sa inyo, Bale?
Okay, let's hear from Raj because we haven't heard from him yet.
We magicians, we see cards as a form of medium to perform our art. But we can create some form of entertainment by just using cards. So basically, we call that cardician.
How long have you guys practiced?
I've been doing magics, I think 5 years na.
For 5 years
4 or 5
now.
years.
How old are you?
Saan kayo natuto? Saan kayo natuto? Libro?
Actually,
Bata ba?
sa group namin, parang binibigyan nila kami ng tips kung paano mag-practice. And then, bumibili kami ng mga stuffs para dun sa materials para dun namin practice.
Ano mga advice nyo to people out there who wanna excel or at least try out
Yeah,
card
I want to
tricks?
try out
Yeah.
card tricks.
Siguro, the first step is you have to love magic. And
Okay.
you have...
As in,
Yeah.
live magic, he says live magic.
It's beyond the tricks eh. Kahit alam mo yung kung paano siya nangyayari.
Yes.
If you don't know how to present it to people,
Exactly.
it's nothing at all. Parang ano yan eh, parang pagkanta. merong kumakanta, singing a very lovely song, pero pag hindi na-deliver ng maayos, hindi siya sumisikat.
True.
Yep. Same thing with magic.
Well,
like
we're gonna find
anything,
out.
like our, like art and everything,
Yeah.
your heart has to be into it. You want to know it. But there's so much more there's so much more to magic. This is just card magic. There's still illusionists, mentalists, which we have here.
We'll find out more from the magic community sa pagbabalik po ng Chika.